The third assignment in this week asks us to spell the word Photoshop using these letters here. Notice that they're all over the place. We have a C that's properly centered, you have an A that's kind of on its side, and P that's kind of up. You also have to make sure that you scale these too. Notice that we have all the layers for the letters. So if I click on the letter C, I can move the C around. If I click on the letter P, that's where we start. We can move this over here. I want to scale this down a little bit. So what you can do is transform, scale, and if I hold the shift key down, it's going to scale it proportionately. If I don't, it's going to do that, and that's not what we want. So once we do that, we hit the enter key and we can set the selection. Next one, we want to find the letter H, bring that over here. Actually, let's move the letter A over a little bit. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Letter A, there we go. Come on, there we go. Got that over there. Now go back to the letter H. We're going to rotate this a little bit. So edit, transform, rotate. Notice that the little cursor changes to that arrow. See how an arrow, that kind of curved arrow. And you can rotate the H until you have it where you want it. Click the enter key to make the selection. You can bring it down. It also has to be scaled a little bit, doesn't it? So we're going to go up, hold the shift key. This is really fat. This might be an instance where you might want to squeeze it in a little bit just to make it look like the other letters. And here's the O. Bring the O over and let's move that C over a little bit again. Click back on the O, and again, this doesn't look quite right, but let's transform the size. So we're going to scale it first. Hold the shift key down, and again move that up. Is that where it's supposed to be? A little more. Right there. And we can go along spelling out the word Photoshop. When you're finished doing this, I want you to save the document as a native Photoshop file. So we would just go up to File, Save As. Yeah, you can save it. If you wanted to keep the sample, you can just do a File, Save As, and make sure it's Photoshop is the format, and then upload that into the discussion area, and you're finished.